Slicing the hot dogs using the method I'm about to show you enhances the flavor by allowing them to cook on the inside while they cook on the outside. These hot dogs look like they just came off the grill, but stick around because after I show you how to make these fancy cuts, I'll share with you a technique so that you can make them taste just like they came off a charcoal grill. The technique that I use is to use 2 inexpensive wooden spoons. The reason that I use spoons, wooden spoons that is to prevent the knife from going too deep. And the reason I use inexpensive spoons is because the handles are not so thick. Using the wooden spoons to prevent the knife from going too deep, you simply need to make diagonal cuts down and then flip the hot dog over and make diagonal cuts the other way, making crisscross cuts. You might think you can do this without using the wooden spoons as a guide, but believe me, you're going to wind up cutting the hot dog too deep and it's going to fall apart. Whether you cook them in the microwave, the stove top, or even the air fryer, you can make your hot dogs taste like they just came off the grill by letting them marinate in a little bit of liquid smoke and water. Well, there you go, folks. Now, if you think I did a good job on this video, please give me a thumbs up to help me grow the channel. Thanks for watching.